Welcome to day one of your transformation. Sit tall, breathe deeply, and prepare your mind for change.
Nopšetar si os peiridem stâna țera na răsoce să rățeajă în țfău să natinți.
Push the floor away, feel your core engage. This is how we activate true inner strength.
Press your heels down, relax your head. Breathe into your hamstrings and let tension release.
Lift your hips high into downward dog. Bend your knees slightly and lengthen your spine with control. Lift your chest and breathe deeply. Your hips carry emotions. Let each exhale release them. Reach your arms up high. Create space in your body. Create courage in your heart. Lean slightly to the right, opening your side body. Feel the stretch along your waist and ribs. Step back and switch legs. New side, new awareness. Every movement is a fresh beginning. Lift your chest and ground your back knee. Invite strength. Invite release. You are safe here. Arms rise with your inhale. You are not here to be perfect. You are here to be powerful. Lean into the side stretch. Soften your jaw, soften your doubts. Your body is listening. Return to tabletop. Realign your body, realign your purpose. You showed up, that's everything. Sit back slowly, let your breath settle. Feel the gentle fire building within you. Inhale and lift your arms high. Create length before you fold. Preparation builds power. Exhale and fold forward. It's not about touching toes, it's about surrendering gently. Hold the stretch. Breathe into your hamstrings. Let tightness melt with every breath. With each exhale, soften deeper. Do not force. Respect your body's wisdom and pace. Inhale and rise back up. Feel the space you've created. Progress happens quietly. Bring soles of your feet together. Knees open wide. Welcome to butterfly pose. Extend your legs forward. Sit tall. Lengthen your spine. This moment belongs to your growth. Exhale and fold forward. It's not about touching toes. It's about surrendering gently. Gently flutter your knees. Release tension from your hips. This is soft power. Take a final breath in. and exhale everything that no longer serves you. You showed up today, and that means more